Are you tired of your images not fitting the perfect square size? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to learn how to add white space to your images using Laravel 5 and the Intervention Image Package. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your images don't match the dimensions you want. You're not alone in this struggle, and many people face the same issue when trying to maintain a consistent look for their projects. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to save their images in a square size of 2236 pixels by 2236 pixels using the Intervention Image Package. They want their images to be centered, stretched if smaller, and compressed if larger. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to achieve this. So, what's the issue here? The goal is to ensure that no matter the original size of the image, it fits perfectly into a square format. This involves manipulating the image dimensions while keeping the subject centered. Let's break down the steps to make this happen. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you streamline your image processing even further. To start, the user needs to install the Intervention Image Package in their Laravel project. This can be done by running a simple command in the terminal. Next, the user should configure the Intervention Image Service Provider in their Laravel application. This involves adding the service provider to the configuration file. Now let's write the code to resize the image. The user will create a function that takes the uploaded image, resizes it to the desired dimensions, and centers it within a square. Finally, the user should test the image upload and resizing functionality to ensure that images are processed correctly. They can do this by uploading different images and checking the results. Fun fact, did you know that the first digital images were created in the 1950s? They were far from perfect, but they paved the way for the stunning visuals we create today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In this alternative approach, the user thanks Anton for his hint and shares a solution that works for different image orientations. They start by creating an image instance and determining its width and height. Depending on whether the image is vertical, horizontal, or square, they adjust the dimensions accordingly. Finally, they resize the canvas to the desired square size, centering the image and adding white space as needed. Here's a pro tip. Always keep a backup of your original images before processing them. This way, you can always revert back if something doesn't turn out as expected. And there you have it. You now know how to add white space to your images and save them in a perfect square format. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more image processing tricks.